In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can earn at least $6.15 per 10 minutes, or if you are living in UK, £5 per 10 minutes taking picture, just one picture. So the basic idea of this, there's an app, you do the task, and then you pay through PayPal. I will talk about 7 apps in this video. Before that, subscribe to my channels, like my videos, press the bell icon. If you really like my videos, continue to watch it, because I will reveal the 7 sites and how you can make money from it. And if you really like my video, like my video. The 7 apps I'm going to talk about today, one of them is Mobeye. I already made a review on my last video, go and check it out. These apps allow you to do a task online and you get paid for that. Book a task, answer the surveys, and get paid for that. So how does the system work? Governments and private companies with a high profit, they pay you app like this to get a certain data from people. Then the apps share the profit with you. Instead of hiring full-time employee, they hire like you. So when you install the app, what you have to do, enable GPS location, which identify you which city, which country you are living in. Then it will identify the nearest task available. So what you have to do, you have to visit the task and do the task, what the task asks you to do. For example, take a picture of banana, or take a picture of the shelves on the supermarkets. Answer the questions how this supermarket is performing, or answer the question the products on sales right now. Or some apps allow you to ask a question about the nearest clinic that you have and how their service is look like. So your opinion and the service and your pictures all adapt to you can make money by doing that. So majority part of the earning is coming from taking picture. Then there's opinion section, there's the service section. Different app do different things. So I will talk about the 7 apps in this video. The 7 is Mobeye. I already talked about it. I already made a video, and I will talk about other 6 apps in order. These are not in particular orders. Some of them work worldwide, some of them don't. So when you go to Google Store or App Store, before you download the app, type the name. It will let you know which country is available. Right now the number of tasks available is limited, but still some apps pay you higher amount for completing the task. So the first one I'm talk about is called Roamler. Download the Roamler app, complete the training task, and choose the platform. You get paid and get paid for that. So this is the how we're gonna do. Be in charge of your time. Task available 24/7. Like I said, all different tasks available every hour. And choose the task and do the task, and you get paid for that. This app available in both Apple Store and Google Store. You can make money using this app any part of the country, not part of the country, any part of the world. So go and check it out on those stores if your country is eligible to download this app. So it's a basic idea. Enable GPS location from the nearest task. Like Roamler help to most important brand to make sure their products are always visible and available in supermarket, stores, bars, restaurants, etc. We will ask you to fill in short questionnaires, take picture, act as a mystery shopper, refill shelf with the product, build up a professional display, and much more. Tasks will be displayed to you according to your location and the skill and experience levels. What is experience levels? Because as you start to do more and more tasks, your experience level higher, and you start to receive more tests than as a beginner. But again, it's depend up to you. You have to pick a task and you have to complete the task and do the task what the task asks you to do. Don't do it different things. Just take one picture, then take one picture, and you get paid through PayPal. The second app is called Fieldagent. Fieldagent pay you. The first app pay you. The Fieldagent pay you to report a specific piece of information gathered from your iPhone. So how you get started? Sign up and complete the Fieldagent profile and start looking for the job. If you click the job search button, you will find the nearest job for you. Then what you do, complete the task and get paid for that. It's like a straightforward, guys. You don't have to do anything. The app is called task360.co.uk, and it's data collection at its smartest. Again, it will pay you to do certain things, but this app only work in iPhone and iPhone. If you have iPhone 5 above, and the operating software is ISO 8, so it won't work in Google Store. So this is the one drawback of that. You need iPhone to do it, but it's the same thing. Complete the task and you get paid for that. Task can be involve taking pictures, checking information, measuring specs, counting product, or giving opinions. Some of them ask you to do the picture of underground railway map. So they ask you to visit certain railway station, go there and take a picture of the map on stations. They will ask a little bit question, 1 or 2 questions. You answer for that, you can get paid £5 to £6 in UK for doing that. Take one picture, answering 2 questions. And there's a fourth one, is called Bemyeye. This is an app. Bemyeye is about give you £1 bonus. So when you complete the first mission, they give a £1 bonus. If you click this, get this app, it will take you to this page, and this is a basic thing. So just what you have to do is earn money on your free time. It's the same thing. Short animation in the stores around you. So they have to you can find the task nearest stores, supermarkets, and you send that data, and then you get paid for that. This app has over 2 million people, and you get paid around £5 per 10 minutes or $6 for 10 minutes. This app is working worldwide. Okay, you have to check it out with your store before you download it. And they work with the big brand like Coca-Cola, Nestle, Metal, and different brands. So 2 million users mean this app is big, and you definitely get paid for that. You can see it from here. The fifth app is called Click and Walk. This is one of the oldest app, because I recommend it because I used it in the past. It will available in the app and Google Store. Basically, it's similar to that. When you install the app, I used it while I go to the university. It will alert because my GPS is enabled. It will alert the store nearest task when I was in university, or when I was at home, when I was traveling. I can check, reload the map and check the nearest task. I can do that. I earn around 150 in a month using this app alone. And now I don't use that because I stay home and don't work online, but I used it in the before. So I recommend Click and Walk, available in both store, and this is one of the oldest app in doing tasks and earn money online. And there's a sixth app is called Premise. Premise.com, available again in both Apple and Google Store. So this is Premise helps humanitarian and organization and governments for profit companies to answer questions. This is I'm talking about. This is how their system works, because governments and companies are paying for your data. So you complete the task and send the data. For the money, they will share with the money. Now government asks the nearest clinic, health clinic, how far your health clinic, how good is the service, something like that. Then you get paid for that. So get paid taking picture and answering questions. Use your local knowledge to help you improve your community and to join the global network of 1 million Premise contributor in 70 countries. Again, this app works worldwide and available in both stores, over 70 plus countries, over 1 million contributors. So check it out before you use. Download the app. So how this works? Download the app, create an account, select the payment method to enter your information, complete your first task. Once you complete enough tasks, you will be ready to cash out. That's a basic thing. So what it is, the final app is Mobeye. I already talk about it. I already made a video. So these 7 apps work like this. They have a job. It's provided by their companies or government. They pay certain amount to do the task. Now what they do, they share the profit with you. How you have to do? You need to download and install the app and enable GPS locations once a task available near your locations. It doesn't matter where you are living at home or your work or your university or your school. When you reload it, it will show the nearest task available in the map. So select the task, do the task, get paid. Some of them pay $5 to $6 or even $10 per 10 minutes taking picture, answering questions. Or you can make money by giving out opinions, or you can make money by doing surveys. So this is the best way to make money online in 2020. But again, it won't replace your 9 to 5 job, but it is an additional income that you can earn using your smartphone while you are wasting time, while you are traveling, while you are at school or university. You can make money from it. Thanks guys for watching my video. If you really like my video, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon, and see you in the next one.